Hello and welcome to this video tutorial from blackberry-unlocking.biz showing you how to unlock your BlackBerry Bold 9700. Now quite simply you'll need something called a unlock code. It's basically a long number. Using this number on your phone will unlock the phone to allow it to use any SIM in the world. Now we make those numbers using your phone's IMEI number and something called the PRD code. We're going to show you how to find this information now. So to find the IMEI number, click on the BlackBerry key, head over to the options icon, click on device and then device status and information. In there you'll find a list of information including your IMEI number. It's made out of 15 digits and we don't really need the dots. It's the numbers are the most important thing when you send the information to us. The next thing is the PRD code. So the PRD code can be found underneath the battery on the label, and it starts with PRD and it's made out of 8 numbers. Again, it's quite blurry, 6s and 8s and 9s, or 7s and 2s. Everything can produce an error if you don't give us the correct information. So do try to be accurate with this little number here and on the label. The next thing that we need to do is head over to our website blackberry-unlocking.biz and order your unlocking code for only £2.49. So that's real cheap and you get it real quick. So we've got a great online service where if you've got a problem we'll end up chatting to you online. So scroll down to the bottom and you'll find a small form where you can fill in your IMEI number that you just found and your PRD code. Then click on the Buy Now button. It will take you to PayPal. You can use your existing PayPal account if you have one, but if you don't, you can use the link below to process your payment with your credit card. The next thing is to check your inbox. After about 2 minutes or so, you'll find an email from us, and in there you'll find 2 codes. One of them is the network unlocking code and the other the service provider code. Now it's a possibility you might need this one, only 1% of the time customers do, but just in case we've included it in the email. So if you don't see an email from us, do check your spam and junk folders. Hotmail, AOL and other networks do a really bad job and put a lot of good emails into the spam folder. So do take the time to look in there. Otherwise, we're going to be emailing you with a personal message about something that's gone wrong. So now, using this code, well, the first thing that we're going to do is go into the BlackBerry button, go into the menu and go into Manage and Connections and switch off your mobile network and your Wi-Fi. Now when you're done the unlocking, come back in here and switch them on again. Okay, press the back key and it'll take you back to the main menu. Go then into Options, then Device, then Advanced System Settings and SIM card. In there you'll find a blank screen or something with just a couple of lines of information. On the keyboard, now type in MEPD. You won't see what you typed, but the screen should change to a more detailed list. This is the list that tells us the status of the phone. We now know if it says network active, that your phone is locked and it needs unlocking. But also it tells us if service provider is active. 99% of the time it's not, but it is. If it is, we've sent you an unlock code. So let's start unlocking network. To do this, all we need to do is type in MEP, then hold down the Alt key and keep it down and press the 2. This will then get you to ask for a unlock code. Now type in the number that we sent you. If you want to unlock service provider, you need to change that mep2 to mep4. Remember to hold the Alt and keep it down before you press the 4. So type in the code that we sent you and then press enter. The phone should say code accepted. After that it returns you back to the screen and you should see that network has changed from active to disabled or inactive, and the same for service provider. That's it. Your phone is now unlocked. You can use any SIM in the world with it. So If you've enjoyed this video and the instructions have been useful to you, do give us one click and give us a like on this video. If you've been a client of ours, you're welcome to leave any comments, or if you're just a viewer, you're welcome to leave any comments as well about the instructions. Do head over to our website. We provide unlock codes 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, on every network, on every model of BlackBerry. And again, we're super quick and cheap, $2.49, and a couple of minutes you'll get your unlock code sent to you by email. So thank you very much for watching. Take care.